The Pixel 10 might just be the Android phone iPhone users have been waiting for. After years of trying, it seems like Google has finally figured out what it takes to get people to switch, and now they're going all in with the launch of the Pixel 10 just around the corner. Google has packed this phone with everything that iPhone users love and added what Apple still hasn't delivered. Smarter software, a triple camera on the base model, magnetic charging, and real-time AI. Features that actually work. It's clear Google is serious this time. Let's start with the ad campaign. Google doesn't call Apple out by name, but it doesn't have to. The message is loud and clear. If you're still waiting for coming soon features, maybe it's time to change your phone. It's a direct jab at Apple's slow rollout of Apple Intelligence, which was announced back in 2024 with lots of hype, but most of the key features are still marked as coming later in 2025. Some, like the new Siri, might not arrive until spring 2026. Meanwhile, Google isn't just promising AI, they've already delivered it. Gemini Nano, on-device smart features, and now Pixel Sense, a virtual assistant that learns from your habits and works in real time with your apps. And that's just the beginning. iPhone users usually stick with Apple for a few core reasons: camera quality, accessories, the ecosystem, and regular updates. But Pixel 10 is checking every one of those boxes, and in some cases, even going beyond. Take the camera. For example, the base Pixel 10 is expected to have a triple camera setup, including a telephoto lens. That's something Apple still keeps exclusive to its expensive Pro models. Google is giving you that versatility without asking you to upgrade. Then there's magnetic charging. Finally, an Android phone that supports magnets like MagSafe. That means you'll be able to use Snap-on wallets, cases, docks, and chargers just like you would on an iPhone, except now, with a Pixel and the ecosystem. Google is quietly building a strong one: the Pixel Watch, Pixel Buds, and the rumored Pixel Snap accessories are designed to work seamlessly with the phone. Add to that fast and consistent software updates, and you've got a phone that feels as smooth and stable as anything from Apple. But maybe the biggest shift is how Google has already won over the Android crowd, and now it's aiming at Apple's loyal users. Pixel phones have become the go-to choice for Android users who want simplicity, comfort, and consistency. While other brands chase big specs and flashy designs, Google has focused on making phones that just work. No lag, no bloat, no confusion, just a clean, reliable experience. That's exactly what iPhone users say they love about Apple. So what happens when an Android phone offers all of that and more? Features like Call Screen and Hold for Me don't just sound smart, they actually save you time, pixels. Voice typing is faster, more accurate, and even adds punctuation and emojis with real-time voice commands. And all of this runs directly on the device. No internet required, no lag, no coming soon labels. This is what truly useful AI looks like, and for people who've built their lives around iPhone accessories, the addition of magnets on the Pixel 10 could be a game changer. Until now, the lack of MagSafe-like support was one of the last big reasons some users stayed with Apple. But if you can snap on the same style of accessories to a Pixel, that barrier is gone. And here's something many people overlook: the Pixel doesn't lock you in. Unlike the iPhone, the Pixel gives you a complete ecosystem, but one that you can leave whenever you want. You're not trapped in a walled garden. You can switch to another Android phone and keep your watch, your smart home devices, and even your cloud data. This flexibility builds trust. You're not staying because you have to, you're staying because you want to. That's a kind of loyalty that Apple just can't match right now. So, with the Pixel 10, Google isn't just launching another phone. They're offering a real alternative for iPhone users who are starting to feel stuck. Tired of waiting for AI that doesn't arrive? Want more hardware features without paying pro-level prices? Wish you could keep your accessories but explore something new? This might be the right time to make the switch. Smarter AI, better cameras, New magnetic accessories, strong battery life, fast updates, and a truly open ecosystem all in one phone. Google's message is clear. You don't have to wait any longer. Everything you've wanted is already here, and it's called the Pixel 10.